We are not going to construct. Is that escaping? Or it is intelligence? That you work hard and give it to me, we enjoy. This is intelligence. This is not escaping. And that is going on. The capitalists, they are engaging these rascals, asses, in the factory and in enjoying life. That is intelligence. That is not escaping. You know the story of the stag and the jackal? The jackal fell in the well, water. He was not unable to come. So one stag came there. What is this? Oh, it is so nice, I am dancing. He said, oh, it is very nice. So he also fell down. And as soon as he fell down, he got on his head and got out. So that is intelligence. They let this rascal work hard and make a nice path for us, and we shall take advantage of it. This is intelligence. And it is called Ajāgara-vṛtti. Ajāgara-vṛtti. Ajagara means a big snake is called Ajagara. So these mouse, they make hole and want to live there. And the comfortable living, in the meantime, the Ajagara comes, he eats that mouse and lives comfortably. So ours is Ajāgara-vṛtti. You work for the whole to live comfortably, but we take possession of the house and live comfortably. Los Angeles, the storekeeper, they ask our man that you do not work. You live so comfortably, and working so hard, we cannot live so comfortably. And as soon as we ask, you also come and join, they will not. No, we shall work like this. We are asking everyone, come here. And that will not come. And that is their envious. Therefore they say escaping, that they are living at the cost of others, so comfortable. That is their enviousness. They see they have got so many cars, their face is bright, they are eating nicely, and they have no problem, so they are envious.
They would do it immediately if they knew how. If they knew how, they would also do it immediately.
No, we are inviting them, come here. Why do they not come? And that is difficult for them, to chant Hare Krishna and dance. Now it is very big, heavy task for them. They will not come. The most difficult thing is that as soon as they come and they know there is no tea, no liquor, no meat, no cigarette, so many no's. That draftsman said, that one draftsman came to inquire that some of the boys, to escape from the draftsman's call, they join this Hare Krishna movement. So what is the comfort there? They join instead of going to. So when he studied that there is no meat, there is no liquor, there is no smoking, there is no gambling. So he said, it is more difficult. Still they come. It is more difficult than to go and fight. So, how it is wonderful. Actually, for the Kurmis, it is a very difficult job. Even Lord Jetland, he said, it is impossible to do this. Actually, it is impossible. And that is the adoration of Professor Judah. So these drug-addicted boys, how they have become Krishna conscious. That is his wonderful thing. You can say that we are escaping this horrible condition of life, meat eating, drinking and intoxication. We are escaping this thing, not escaping happiness. You are escaping happiness. Hare Ram.
The psychologist says that the real responsibility is to enjoy sex life. And that in that way we're...
But that hog also enjoys. What is the difference between you and hog? The hog enjoys unrestricted. The cats and dogs also enjoy. So what is the benefit of becoming human being? Civilized man. That enjoyment is there in the hog's life, in a better way. You have got some discrimination. Here is my sister, here is my mother, here is my daughter. But there is no such distinction. You enjoy life and become a hog. And that is waiting for you next life.